Hello guys, welcome to CFTILO. CFTILO is one of the training center in Oe-Cusse, which locate in Padimau, Suku Costa, in sub-region Pantai Makassar. CFTILO provides several training courses such as Information Communication and Technology course, English language course, and music course. For information communication and technology related course, we offer 3 different sub-courses. First, Basic Computer Administration, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Second, Multimedia courses like Photoshop and Premiere Pro. In English course, there are 3 different levels, namely Level 1, which is English Basic, and Level 2 is Pre-Intermediate, and finally Level 3 is Intermediate. And lastly, CFTILO is also offering music course like piano, guitar, and drum course. Moreover, there are many extracurricular activities like seminar, cultural dance, music, drama, fashion show, and so on. Hurry up guys! Registration is open from Monday to Friday. Feel free to send us email for more information via our email address below, or WhatsApp us through our phone number 77370516.